Hi guys, this is RBJ0900 and today I'll be reviewing the Lego City helicopter transporter ages 5 to 12, 7, 6, 8, 6, 377 pieces, and yeah, and here's the box. Give you a little glance at it. Check out the back. Shows you some of the functions and stuff like that. Okay, now on to the minifigures. Okay, here we got a motorcycle dude. They don't give names for these guys. Seriously, they don't. And here's the truck driver guy and helicopter driver guy, which I don't know why he has helmet for a helicopter, not headgear. I don't think they have ever had headgear for Lego. So, yeah, that's good for that. Done for that, just to say that. Here is the motorcycle. The motorcycle is I think, the easiest thing to build, because it's really simple. This part comes out a lot. I forget. Yeah, it comes out a lot. Comes off a lot. Well, and here's the truck. The truck with the helicopter. It's pretty cool. It's got a few stickers on it. So does this one. Okay, let's take the helicopter. Here's the rotating thing. You can spin it to let it move, and there's a little helicopter turbine thing. This guy can fit in here. Let's just put it. Well, he does go on there. Let's just say that. Who cares? There's a little control stick, and I think these are like lights or something like that. Patrol lights or something. There's this little camera right here, and I think flashlight thing. And these are sort of like these are like ski things, but they're for a helicopter. So yeah, and they got these little compartments that you can open and close right here. And there's another one on the other side, right here. You can put stuff in them. And, okay, let's get to the truck. Oops, something fell off, but who cares about it right now. Yeah, you can take this off. Here is the back of the trailer, and here is the front. Nothing to see. Here you can, there's tools. You can put them in the helicopter if you want to. I don't. You can also, okay, there's also compartments right here. Right there. They store a oil can, and there's a compartment over. There's a compartment right here with a drill, I think, and they got a screw, this hammer thingy, a wrench, and a I forgot. But you can take this off. See, you can take it off, put it back on. I don't know why they added that. You can put it on something or whatever. Yeah, this little part connects to right there. See it? Yeah, it goes right there. And this helicopter can fit right there, stuff like that. And here are the back. Here's the back. Here's the front. And this is pretty cool how they added this. You can open this, and you can hold on a second. if you're making like a stop motion video or something and you wanted to use this Lego or something like that, you can be working on the truck or something or whatever. Well, that's a pretty cool function. You can have them with wrench or whatever, but who really cares about that right now? Yeah. This is my second review so far, but I haven't posted in a really long time. I mean, a really long time, but I've been getting a lot of Legos, but some of them I accidentally broke. Here are these things which are in this other Lego City garbage truck. Yeah, the Lego City garbage truck. Or if you don't got that, then whatever. Here are mirrors, and here's doors that actually open, stuff like that. There's another sticker, which I don't think people around there like stickers, so sticker haters, too bad. You can open this up to insert a guide, but I don't use the doors because it's pretty hard to put them in when you use the doors. Yeah, you can just hold on a second. Check out my house. You can put them in there like this, and there's a little coffee cup, stuff like that. This is a cool thing. So, this is a really cool set. So, see ya guys. Hope you like my review. Okay, bye.